Hello viewers, welcome to our video tutorial. Think about it. When you want to cook well, what do you want? Spice. If you want to speak or write well, what do you need? Stock of words. We always say vocabulary matters. Now the question is how you can develop your stock of words. So far I have seen many people think memorizing lots of words. Can you really memorize the dictionary? Come on, it's too silly. So the best thing what we have experienced is read. More input means more outputs. For example, you can start reading the daily newspapers. Newspapers are such a good source of vocabulary that every day you can learn new words, and these words automatically you can apply in your speaking, in your writing, and any type of communication. It's not necessary you have to read every day the whole newspaper. Think about online newspaper. You spend a long time, sometimes wasting in the traffic jam or some other cases. So if you just read for 5 minutes just the headlines in English, you can really improve your vocabulary. The second thing that we have found, the reading habits. Now you can also read eBooks. Think about it, you can read any sort of books, storybooks or anything. So in fact, you can learn the words which are common. You can learn some difficult words, some new words. So the stock of words can be not automatically developed. Somehow, either by reading newspaper or books, you really can improve. We also have experience that is listening. Sometimes when you hear someone who is speaking in good pronunciation, an English speaker especially, they are using a different sort of words. So in fact, this is a chance. Like when you listen someone, you can also pick some words in the daily conversations, communications. So listening can be helpful. Many people say just follow BBC or CNN or watch movie. But what do we say? Think about YouTube. Come on, we are also in YouTube now. So YouTube tutorials, when you watch or when you listen, you can also develop your vocabulary. So keep trying. We hope you can overcome.